Today is work day and I'm gonna be going to a cafe to, do the rest of the scriptings and check some emails, and this is the outfit of the day. I was actually gonna wear those heels first that I got from Zara, but then I thought it's gonna be a little too much and I don't feel like I'm going to a fancy place or something. I think I'll just go to a nice cafe and just sit down and get some work done. And if I do, plan to go around to the malls or whatever, then I am gonna be taking you guys with me also. And I don't know why, for some reason I feel like I look a little bit bulky today, because loose fitted clothes normally don't go well on my body. They make me look 2 sizes bigger. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I also have my hair in a ponytail, which I haven't done for so many years. I love it. I think it's a very laid back look. So let's go. Okay, it's getting windy and I have to sneeze. Achoo! hate the feeling of autumn, but it's already there. What can I do? It's really, really cold. However, I just remembered that I have a whole day tomorrow with one of my friends that I'm spending tomorrow from breakfast till dinner. So I wanted to come back on time. I think I came back at 6-ish, no, 7 actually. And I quickly changed. I did not have dinner, which I'm really happy about. I think I'm gonna try and skip it. If anything, I'm just gonna eat some vegetables later and maybe like a little piece of grilled chicken, and that's that, right? However, I do need to stock up on some vegetables, so I thought it would be a nice idea to finish up this video with some grocery shopping. So that's where I'm headed. I just put my jacket on. My coat, it's not a jacket, it's a coat. What's that? What did I eat? Why? How? Why do I? What is this? What a mess. Why do I always mess up everything? I kind of like my hair up like this sometimes, you know, just in a little pony, or maybe a bun next time I'm gonna try. I don't know, but my hair looked very sturdy today, so I just thought, let me just put them up back there. Now we're gonna go for grocery shopping. I also did want to get my cream, but I couldn't because, well, the mall was closing and stuff. But anyhow, that's fine. I'll probably do it maybe tomorrow when I'm with my friend. I'm not sure if I'll be recording tomorrow because I never have recorded any of my friends or anything. Like, I just record when I'm in my own comfort zone, when it's convenient, and yeah, that's that. When I'm with friends or family, I just enjoy too much in the moment, so I don't really record. But if you want me to, let me know and I could try. Okay, let's go before it's too late.